Welcome back to Internet Avail, whereby we get to offer tech solution, and in this video we're going to look into how you can get to make your Facebook private in just some few steps. So before you get to proceed further, if you do love my videos, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's just below here. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss these kind of videos, and each and every time I have a new episode, you always be the first one to be notified. So open your Facebook app. As you can see, this is how I'm doing it. Just open your Facebook app. The other thing, you'll need to come to this menu section right here on the top, and then from here you'll need to head to the setting section. So from here you'll need to scroll down. Here you can see we have the account center. You also have the personal details, passwords and security, ads, preferences, verification, and of course we have the tool and the resource section, whereby that's our main focus. So you'll need to come to this privacy checkup, and then from here you'll see who can see what you share, how to keep your account secure, how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings on Facebook, your ads preferences, but our main focus is who can see what you can share. So you get to click that, and then from here you just need to click continue. So before you get to click the continue button, you can see you have the profile information, post and stories, blockings, but that's not our main concern. So let's just click continue. From here you're going to see some of your details regarding your account profile information. You can see your phone number, your email address right there. You can also see the age, my age right here, and then of course relationship, all those stuff. Those are some of my personal details. So from here you'll need to choose who can see your friend list on your profile, who can see the people, pages and list you follow. So from here, this is where you can get to choose whether you want it to make sure it's only me or whether it's public, friends accept. That's whereby you get to set all that. So from here we can get to choose, for instance, we get to choose like we get to put it public, and then you get to click next. From here it's going to tell you the default audience. Are you focusing on do you want your profile, of course, your post to be seen by the public or private? You get to click right there, and of course you have the story section. You get to choose also there. So that's how easy it is. You can proceed to next, and of course you're going to see the blocking section. So that's how easy it is to make your Facebook account private, and hopefully you have found the video valuable and educative to you.